Here we have a GDO-9 ATA sectional door and tilt door operator, and we're going to demonstrate how to put it in neutral in case of a power failure. We'll demonstrate now what happens when you pull it out while the motor's running. You can see it's no longer locked into this groove here. If we press the button, run the motor the other way, it'll continue to pass through and won't lock in until we put that in that orange component into the horizontal position. Now when it runs through, it'll lock in and it's ready for automatic use.